here with RPG Show Lifestyle once more. You know, I always love this box. It's so nice and edgy yet minimal. So open the box, you know, the usual. We see the wig first. Then I got, you know, my little envelope with, you know, the information of the wig that we got today, which we're gonna get into in a few. I got a pair of wig cap, and they sent me another magazine, thank you card, and then I have a RPG Show Lifestyle bag, which is great for storage of your wig after you're finished with it. So that's always a go. I always love the way they package their wigs. It's just so sophisticated. This is today's wig. The wig that I'm working with is 16 inches long. You see these curls, these effortless like body waves. The effortless body waves are like really nice. Like, you see that? It's so effortless. It's giving Hollywood kind of vibe. I love that. So this is actually a yaki texture. So, you know, it's a little coarser. Feels super strong. It's a medium cap size that we're working with. And as usual, a tinted transparent lace. This hair comes fully like customized and everything for you already. You know, nicely plucked, nicely styled, straight out of the packaging. You don't have to worry about going in and styling this on your own. And this, you know, one of the great things I always love about their wigs, like you could go ahead and wear this glueless, all right? So that's another thing that I'm excited about, and I can't wait to go ahead and show you. So the lace does come already tinted and bleached. Is a 13 by 6. You see how deep the parting space goes, so that's good. And there are 3 combs on the inside. An extra strap also is there so that, you know, you can have more security, and it helps especially if you're gonna wear this glueless. And that's exactly how I'm gonna show you guys to rock this today. So that's how that looks. Let's go ahead and it's the color is a beautiful highlight color, super beautiful. It's giving very much like realistic, especially with the texture of the hair. So I love that. So no, and oh, I love the blonde cut that it has at the end. Yeah, that looks good. So now that I've shown you guys that, let's go ahead and just do this quick glueless installation. Okay, so I ensure to use the elastic band that came on the inside, and already I pull it on. It's laying so flat. Everything looks good. It feels good. It feels secure on my head, like very nice and secure. So as usual, you know, the ear portion is a little too long for it to like fit, so we're gonna cut around the area. Yes, I love that. It's giving, you know, messy hair, don't care, but still cute. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fix. And the parting, I don't have to do anything to it. It looks perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut around the ear portion, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tack the ear portion just a little bit with my olive oil fix-it spray, just to ensure that that ear is just super flat. But I won't apply that adhesive to the rest of the lace at all.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out, no I can't keep score when I lose
I'm just gonna go around. I'm just gonna cut away the extra lace.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you.
This is the hair completely glueless, no glue whatsoever. And I need you guys to know that you could go in and feel free to like part this hair and style it any other way you would prefer. If you want to try out something else, if you want to experiment, you could go ahead and feel free to part it. Like give it a side part. You could part it here. Like the mid portion is really deep. With how far it goes, you could do a nice deep side part. So I'm just giving you guys options, okay? Don't be afraid to go in and style it any other way. Like, it's super nice. Let me stand up and show you guys. I am getting minimal shedding, but I'm also bearing in mind that I did cut away like on the sides, you know. You see that? Yeah, I love that. Like RPG still, they always win with their wigs. Like their wigs always look so good. And let me just go over that again for you guys so you know. There's absolutely no glue. See? No glue. None. It's a win. It is a win-win. Because look at this. Nobody could tell you. Like, it's so hard to recognize. Like, the lace is so hard to recognize. You know? So, I love how believable that is. And I'm so happy when I can give you guys like great options for like glueless wigs like this, because this is really top tier, like truly. And this is for all my like chicas who definitely want to look cute but you don't have all that time on your hands. I am so happy that I can give you this option. You can't make it to the hairstylist, you can do it yourself. You can do it yourself and look like you went to the salon, because who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? This looks so good. This is so good. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section, because I'm gonna make sure to put all the specifications of this wig as well as the direct link to it in my description box. So I need you guys to go ahead and check that out. Shout out to RPGSHOW Lifestyle once more for another gorgeous wig. Oh my god, another gorgeous wig. I love the bluntness at the end, and it's so full. And I'm happy that I could do this, no swoops, no baby hairs as well, you know, super effortless. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you